So you have just been in a fender bender, or worse, your heart is pounding and your bumper isn't looking too pretty. Filing a car insurance claim in the Philippines can feel like a maze, but not if you knew the simple, step-by-step guide you're about to watch. Many drivers in Manila and everywhere else most often miss key steps after an accident. Leave out one, and your claim could be delayed or even denied, adding unnecessary headache when you least need it. Step 1. Stay safe and secure the scene. Your safety comes first. If you can, move your car off the road. If not, stay put and call the PNP or MMDA. Capture everything: damage, license plates, street signs, and any visible injuries. Exchange info with the other driver, but never admit fault. Just stick to the facts. Step 2. Notify your insurance provider ASAP. Call your insurer within 24 hours to 7 days, depending on the conditions on your policy. Contact your insurance provider through their hotline or customer service, your agent or broker, or an online claims portal if available. Be ready to provide them your policy number, a quick summary of the accident, what, when, where, and the plate number and driver's name of the other vehicle if applicable. Step 3. Gather and submit your documents. What are the documents required and why you need it? A. Driver's license and car registration to prove you're legit. B. Police report, mandatory for major or third-party claims. C. Photos of the accident, to be used as your visual evidence. D. Insurance policy, COC, to confirm insurance coverage. E. Repair estimate, to set the cost baseline. F. Affidavit of incident, to enable you to give your side of the story. Step 4. Coordinate with the claims adjuster. Your insurer will assign a claims adjuster. Their job: inspect the damage, verify documents, and recommend claim approval and repair amounts. The inspection may be in person, home, tow yard, or accredited shop, or virtual. Yes, some insurers let you do it via video walkthrough. Pro tip: be responsive. Adjusters move fast, and so should you. Step 5. Approval, repair, or payout. Once your claim is assessed and approved, here's what could happen next. A. Approved for repair at a partner shop. If your car can still be fixed, your insurer may send you to an accredited shop. This is usually the quickest route since the shop works directly with your insurer. You'll only need to pay a participation fee, a small fixed amount indicated in your policy. The insurer covers the rest. B. Cash payout or reimbursement. Want your own shop to handle repairs? Your insurer may give a cash settlement instead. You'll still need repair estimates and documents, but you'll have more flexibility. See total loss payout. Just note it could take longer to get reimbursed. If repairs cost over 75% of your car's fair market value, or FMV, it might be declared a total loss. In that case, you'll get a payout equal to your car's FMV minus depreciation and deductibles, and you may have to surrender the vehicle to the insurer. There you have it, a clear, no-nonsense guide to filing car insurance claims in the Philippines. Act fast, be prepared, and stress less. If this helped you, hit like, share this with your friends, and subscribe for more Crash to Repair survival tips. See you next time.